He said that he couldn't
miss the prayers.
miss the
He said that. Yeah. He said that he couldn't miss the prayers. G. Number 5 no. Number 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4 are better.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
My question is now that what are you able to do? That's all the समझिए. Number 5. What are you able to do? आप क्या करने के काबिल हैं? क्या कुछ कर सकते हो जी? I am able to walk alone. I am able to write in English. I am able to speak English. मैं English बोलने के काबिल हूँ. बात में नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Able to.
Yes.
I am able to carry out the activities.
Yes.
I am able to deliver lecture. I am able to give a presentation. I am able to write these sentences beautifully. I am able to talk to you with confidence.
Yes, sir.
बात में नहीं?
Yes, sir.
What are you able to do? Read.
I am able to speak English.
Very good.
She says that she is able to speak English.
Very good. What else?
I am able to create new things.
I am able to create
New things.
new things. Read.
She is saying that she is able to create new things.
Create new things. Read. What else?
I am able to understand the matters.
Very good. To understand the matters. Read.
She said that she is able.
She said that.
She said that she able. She was able.
Very good. She said that she was able not to understand
Understand
the matters.
the matters.
What are you able to do?
I am able to drive the car.
You are able to drive a car. Ji.
He says that he is able to drive a car.
He says that he is able to drive a car. Ji. What else?
I am able to create a new ideas.
You are able to create new ideas. Ji.
He is saying that he is able to create a new idea.
He is saying that he is able to create new ideas. What else?
I am able to observe fast.
You are able now to observe fast. Very good. It means you have recovered from that disease or that sickness now. Clear? Or you are grown up now and you can do that. Ji.
He said that he was observed the fast. He said that he was observed the fast. He said that he was able to observe the fast.
Okay, please. It was now number 5 and number 7. Am I right? You've done that now.
Yes, sir.
No, my question is what aren't you able to do? आप क्या करने के काबिल नहीं हो? No, number 6 and 8 we are going to attempt. Number 6 and 8.
Yes, sir.
What aren't you able to do? I'm not able to. अब हमने क्या कहना है?
I'm not able to.
I'm not able to.
Yes.
मैं ये काम करने के काबिल नहीं हूँ. What aren't you able to do?
I am not able to make strategy.
You are not able to make strategies. जी.
She says that she is not.
She
She isn't
very good. She says that she isn't able to
able to make steps.
make strategies. What else?
I'm not able to to observe the new thing deeply.
I'm not able to observe the new things minutely. Minutely, no? सब वो कह रहे हैं deeply. Minutely.
She is saying that she isn't able to observe new things.
the new things minutely. What else?
I'm not able to
I'm not able to. Everyone. I'm not able to. I'm not able
I'm
to
not
operate.
able to see the color.
I'm not able to. No. I'm not able to operate the computer. I'm not able not to upload the movies.
I'm not able to run the organization.
I'm not able to run the organization. Very good.
She said that she was not.
She
was not.
was not.
She
wasn't.
She wasn't.
She said that she wasn't able to run the
organization.
organization. What are you able to do?
What are you?
What aren't What aren't you able to do?
I'm not able to attend the class.
You're not able to attend the class because now you're feeling well.
Yes.
Or you are not in the senses. Or your mind is somewhere else.
I'm sick because I'm sick.
Okay.
He said that he isn't able to attend the class.
He says that he isn't able to attend the class. Okay.
I'm not able to prepare the food.
You're not able to prepare food, or you are not able to cook food.
Cook food.
You are not able to cook food. D.
He's saying that he isn't able to cook food.
Very good. What else?
I'm not able to drive the bus.
You are not able to drive the bus. Okay.
He said that he wasn't
Very good. He said that he wasn't
able to drive the bus.
the bus. Okay. Now you can take it. No.
Yes, sir.
It was now number 6 and
Sir,
8. So we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then there is
Have to.
C. If you have to make a sentence, we've done that, for example. For quenching hunger, what have you to do? I have to cook, I have to eat food to quench hunger. I have to drink water to quench thirst. I have to read books now to get knowledge. I have to recite the Holy Quran to seek the guidance. I have to worship Allah Almighty to please Him. Clear? What is clear now?
Yes, sir.
I have to finish my syllabus, to revise my syllabus, to qualify, to pass the exams.
Yes, sir.
इम्तिहान पास करने के लिए मुझे ये करना पड़ता है, अल्लाह को राज़ी करने के लिए ये करना पड़ता है. I have to get up now before dawn. मुझे dawn से पहले उठना पड़ता है. क्यों? To observe fast रोज़ रखने के लिए. I have to perform ablution. मुझे वुज़ू करना पड़ता है. Why? To offer prayers. बात समझाइए. So 3 things now you have to tell me. What have you to do and for what? G.
I have revised my lecture.
Doctor, I have to revise. Number 9. G.
I have to pen down my notes to pass in the examination.
You have to pen down the notes to pass your examinations. G.
She says that she penned. She says that she have to.
She have to.
She has to.
Clear. Next one now. She says that she has to pen down
her notes to pass the
to
exam.
pass exam. What else? No. G. Have you to do and for what? G.
I have to switch on TV for watch the movie.
For watch the movie.
To watch the movie.
Yeah, for watching the movie. No. To watch the movie. G.
She is saying that she has
to switch on the TV
to watch
the movie.
Yes.
Very good. What else now have you to do and for what?
I have to consult the books in the library for getting some new things.
Very good. You have to consult the books in the library,
Yes, sir.
for getting,
New ideas.
for getting the new ideas.
She said that she had.
Very good. She said that she had, now is a V2 now.
Yes, sir.
She said that she had to consult
The books
in the library
for getting
for getting
New ideas.
forgetting the new ideas, the new things, or to get the new things or the new ideas. G. So we are doing number 9, 10 and 11 at the same time.
Yes, sir.
What is clear?
Yes, sir.
G.
Yes.
What have you to do and for what?
I have to attend the class. I have to attend the class to vacations or
I have to attend the class, मुझे class attend करना पड़ती है. क्यों? For what? उसको सीखा था.
Really?
I have to attend the class to improve my knowledge, to
Improve
develop my
my
knowledge,
Yes.
to develop my confidence, to unlock my mind, to learn something new. No? Wonderful. What have you to do and for what?
I have to attend the class to get the knowledge.
You have to attend the class to get the knowledge. इल्म हासिल करने के लिए आपको क्लास अटेंड करना पड़ती है. भूख मिटाने के लिए खाना खाना पड़ता है. प्यास बुझाने के लिए पानी पीना पड़ता है. अल्लाह को राज़ी करने के लिए उसकी इबादत करना पड़ता है. नमाज पढ़ने के लिए वुज़ू करना पड़ता है. कॉल करने के लिए कीज प्रेस करना पड़ती है, है ना?
Yes, sir.
What does he say?
He says that he attends the class.
He has
attended the
he has to attend.
He says that he has to attend the class to
Ah.
get knowledge.
To get knowledge. Ji. What else have you to do and for what?
I have to surf the internet
You have to surf the internet. For what?
to get the new ideas.
To get new ideas.
Yes.
To get new ideas. Ji.
He is saying that he has to surf the internet to get new ideas.
He says that he has to surf the internet to get new ideas. This is his point of view. What else?
I have to buy
You have to
to board it on. To board it on.
to board on.
To board on.
To reach the destination on time.
Yes, sir. To read the destination on time.
I have to buy
Yes, sir.
to reach the destination on time. Ji, what did she say? Or what did he say? Ji.
He said that he had buy to reach the destination.
You had buy?
He had to.
Once again.
He said that he had to buy to reach the destination.
बाई कहाँ से आएगा?
तो इन्होंने ये जो बोला
नहीं मेरे पुत्र आप कहीं था. I have to buy. मुझे बाइक करना पड़ती है. मुझे मोटरसाइकिल चलाना पड़ती
I
है.
had to buy to reach the destination on the time.
I तो नहीं he. He said that he had to buy. He had to buy, to reach the destination. Now please take it now.